Jai Srimanarayana. 197th Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Sutapase Namaha. O Srimanarayana, I realize that you possess supreme knowledge. O Srimanarayana, in the time of Pralayam, you are the one who absorbs everything into you, and at that time you will collect all the data. You will not lose any data. You will collect and remember all the data of karma of every entity, so that you can again give them a chance of being in a body accordingly. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Sutapase Namaha. Om Sutapase Namaha. While meditating upon Srimanarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, when Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami sleeping on the floor, Guha, Sumantra and Lakshmana, three of them were protecting them, and they were awake all through the night. And now sun is rising. Ramachandra Swami got up and asking Lakshmana, we have to cross this Jahnavi Sigragam. We have to cross this Ganga Nadi Tarama Jahnavim. And look at the atmosphere, how beautiful it is, how pleasant it is. All the peacocks and all the birds making beautiful sounds. Lakshmana, Sigragam, Sagarangamam. Look at the Ganga river. It is flowing like a ocean. That is what Ramachandra Swami said. And Rama also added that, Lakshmana, we have to cross this Ganga. Then Lakshmana understood what exactly Rama is trying to convey the message. And Lakshmana called on Sumantra and Guha and asked them, did you understand what exactly Rama is trying to convey the message? Then Guha said, yes, Lakshmana, I got it. Immediately he said that because Jahnavi, the Ganga river, is flowing like a ocean, it is very hard to cross Ganga Nadi. So that is why Rama is asking us to make arrangements of a boat. That is what I understood. Now I am going to arrange that boat. Immediately Guha called on all of his ministers and associates and saying that Asya Vahana Sanyuktam. Immediately arrange one beautiful, nice, heavy, strong boat along with the boat driver. Guha said that all of his associates arranged a beautiful boat. And then Guha is saying that to Rama, oh Rama, all arrangements are done. Bhuyaha kim karavanite. What else do I need to do? Please tell me. Oh Rama, you are such a great man, and you are man of this entire universe. And you always follow so many wonderful rules and regulations. You never cross the barricades. Such great, O Rama! I did everything what you asked me. Please let me know what else I can do for you. Like that, when Guha said, now Rama is saying that, oh Guha, you have done so much for me. You did several favors for me. Now you put all the things that I needed in the forest, like crowbar and all those things. You put everything in the boat. Please put all the clothing for Sitamma in the boat. Please put all the ornaments of Sitamma in the boat. Like that, when Rama said, Guha put everything, kept everything and said, yes, everything is done. Then Rama and Lakshmana have taken their swords, their arrows and their bows, and they got ready and took Sitamma. Along with Sitamma, they started walking towards the boat which is there in the banks of Ganga Nadi. On the way, Sumantra is asking Rama, Kimaham karavanite? What else I can do for you, Rama? Please tell me. Then Rama is taking Sumantra very close to him and touching with his right hand to Sumantra and saying that, Sumantra, you please go back to Ayodhya. Sighram punareva yahi. Immediately you have to get back to Ayodhya and start taking care of my father Dasharatha Maharaju. Sumantra, you drove all of us until here in the chariot. Now from here onwards, we three will be going on the walk into the forests. We don't need chariot anymore. Sumantra, please go back. Like that, Rama said to Sumantra. Then what is going to happen next, we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama. He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 21st Sloka. Marichihi Damano Hamsaha Suparno Bhujagotamaha Hiranyanaabhaha Sutapaha Padmanabhaha Prajapatihi. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman-Narayana. On occasion of Vinayaka Chaviti, Ganesh Chaturthi and Vishwaksena Chaturthi, this month August 22nd, Saturday, according to India timings, evening 7:30, according to America Central timings, mornings 9. Just half an hour before these timings, we will be releasing one video which is titled as Vighna Nivarana Chaturthi Narayanastram. This video will be released in Gattus Karishye Vachanam Tava YouTube channel and also will be sent to all the groups. So by following this video, which has about 5 minutes puja, on this special occasion, we all will at the same time will chant our Narayanastra slokas. So by which on this special festival day, we are attaining a big huge goal of chanting entire Ramayana 24,000 slokas and Gita 33 times and Vishnu Sahasranamam 24 times. By this much of puja, let us make our Ganesh Bhagavan and Vishwaksena Bhagavan very happy, by which they will definitely give us wonderful blessings, and this Parayana will make Sriman Narayana very, very happy, and by which we all will be blessed, and all the obstacles in our way will be removed. So there is no other thing that can make Vishwaksena and Ganesh Bhagavan to this much of happy. So make sure you all please join in this. Those who have Narayanastram and those who doesn't have Narayanastram, requested to go to narayanastram.org and get your Narayanastram. Om Sutapase Namaha. Om Sutapase Namaha. Om Sutapase Namaha.